Hey there, doctors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into classification of skeletal muscles. So grab your snacks. Hit that subscribe button. And let's embark on this journey together. In this part we will discuss the classification of skeletal muscles according to the direction of fiber architecture, and according to the shape or morphology of the muscle. First we will cover classification according to the directions of fiber architecture. Fascicles or bundles of skeletal muscles can be arranged into four basic structural patterns: parallel, oblique, circular and convergent. We will discuss them one by one. According to the direction of fiber architecture, first group is where fibers are parallel to the force-generating axis. Muscles with fibers parallel to the line of pull, there is great range of movement but less power. They include strap, quadrilateral and fusiform muscles. Strap muscles have a shape like a strap or belt and have fibers that run longitudinally to the contraction direction. For example, sartorius muscle of the anterior thigh compartment belongs to this group. Quadrate muscles have four equal sides. For example, the rectus abdominis of the anterior abdominal wall, between its tendinous intersections, is quadrate muscle. Fusiform muscles are wider and cylindrically shaped in the center and taper off at the ends. For example, the biceps brachii of the arm belong to this group. According to directions of fiber architecture, another group is oblique, where fascicles are short and they attach obliquely to a central tendon that runs the length of the muscle. In muscles with fibers oblique to the line of pull, there is a great power but less range of movement. Examples include pennate and radial muscles. Now we will discuss pennate and radial muscles individually with examples. Pennate muscles are of three types: uni, bi, and multi. In unipennate muscles, fibers are oriented at an angle and are all on the same side of a tendon, for example extensor digitorum. Bipennate muscles have fibers on two sides of a tendon, for example rectus femoris of the thigh is bipennate. In multipennate, fibers are oriented at multiple angles along the force-generating axis, for example the deltoid muscle, which forms the roundness of the shoulder, is multipennate. The last group of muscles with the oblique direction of fibers is radial. In radial muscles, muscle fibers originate from a wall of the cylindrical osteofascial compartment and muscle fibers converge obliquely into the central tendon from all sides, for example tibialis anterior. The third group according to the direction of fibers is circular. In circular muscles, fascicles are arranged in concentric rings. Muscles with this arrangement surround external body openings. Examples of circular muscles are orbicularis oculi, which covers the eye, and orbicularis oris, which surrounds the mouth. Last group according to directions of fiber architecture is convergent or triangular muscles. Convergent muscles arise from a broad area and converge to narrow or pointed insertion, for example, pectoralis major. This arrangement of fibers is found in the triangular muscles, for example temporalis, adductor longus, and deltoid. Now we will cover classification of skeletal muscles according to shape or morphology of muscle. According to shape, the muscle can be fusiform, spiral, cruciate and circular. Fusiform muscles are wider and cylindrically shaped in the center and taper off at the ends. Its direction of fibers is longitudinal, for example biceps brachii of the arm. Spiral muscles have a belly that spirals around long bones, for example supinator. Cruciate muscles consist of two planes of fibers arranged in different directions so that fibers of two planes cross each other. Examples are masseter, sternocleidomastoid. Muscles with circular shapes are arranged in concentric rings in circular muscles, for example orbicularis oculi and orbicularis oris. That was all about the classification of muscles. In the last part of the muscle video, we will cover its remaining aspects. Thanks for watching.